Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aaryan Nukala. In this video, we're going to be celebrating mine and my brother's 11th birthday. We celebrated our birthday at Young Chefs Academy. Young Chefs Academy is a cooking school for kids, but you can also celebrate birthdays there. We arrived and we were waiting for my friends to come. And it was really sunny outside, so I was kind of irritated. When you first enter, there's like a normal setup, a front desk, a mini shop, and a wall with all the chefs/staff they have over there. Once I first entered, I was so excited because I never had or experienced a birthday party like this. I've never heard of it either, and I was really excited to learn how to make a pizza. After a few of my friends came, we started heading to the party room. They had two, but ours was at the end. We were waiting for the rest of my friends to arrive. Until then, we got at our table, got set up, and were just chatting. When you first enter, you have to wash your hands and put on an apron before you go and sit down. A few of my friends came right after we got into the room and got set up, and they washed their hands and put on an apron and found a table. We were just talking and talking. I was really excited because I couldn't wait for it to start. It felt like 3 hours before we actually started. And before they started, a bunch of my other friends and cousins came. After everyone came, we sat down and just kept on talking because they had to set up all the dough to give it to us. But it still felt like 3 hours before they actually passed it out. We were talking and talking and talking. And finally we got bored, so we just played a game. Finally they started. First, they just made a random dough and showing us what not to do, like adding Coke into the dough. And then they just gave us a basic overview of how to use the tools and everything. And here we were just practicing. After the demonstration, they asked us a few questions just to make sure we paid attention. Some were just funny, some were about how to make the dough wrong, and some were on how to make the dough right. We finally got the dough and we started kneading it to make it soft. It was a really fun experience, but I don't even think I know how to make a pizza anymore now. After we finished kneading the dough, we started trying to make it flat. It was really hard because the dough was kind of stiff and my dough had to be extremely sticky. No matter how much dough I added, it's still like how much dry dough I added, it was still sticky. It took a lot of strength to even make it flat. But mine wasn't even close to a circle. Mine was kind of a half circle, but my dough still was kind of sticky, so it took time for me. After a lot of kneading and flattening, mine still didn't get in proper shape, but it was fine. We started adding toppings. I added sauce, onions, bell peppers, pineapples, and cheese for mine. Pineapple on pizza is actually fire. After our pizzas went to the oven, we started decorating cupcakes. We added blue frosting, added 3 goldfish, and sprinkled in some cracker dust at the end. After we finished decorating our cupcakes, it was time for cutting the cake.
Are you 9? Are you 10? Are you 11?
The cake cutting experience was good. They off the lights and the candles shined the cake. And it was amazing actually. The cake tasted really good too. After a few pictures, we sat down, got our pizza, drinks and cupcake, and started enjoying our food. My pizza actually came out pretty good, except in one part I added too many toppings, so that part wasn't that cooked. But everywhere else, it was actually really good. And the cupcake tasted good, a sweet and salty mix. Oh my god, I was actually shocked. After our food, we got some cake, and that's it. We were just chatting and talking and finishing our food. and some people are getting seconds. And I was just going to all the tables to all my friends. And yeah. When they were passing out our food, we also got this mini chef hats, and I still have them. After the party ended, me and my friends were really curious to see what the mini shop was all about, and they had a few merch and the equipment we used to make the pizza. And we were just seeing all the new equipment, the stuff we didn't use, and how quality they are. This is me and my friends. They have a few merch, they have a cup, and they have tools to bake cookies, make pizza, and everything. After that, I was going to collect my presents and we were getting ready to leave. Okay guys, bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon after you subscribe. Bye!